guys! Welcome to my channel. This is a little bit different from my previous vlogs kasi first time po natin mag-unboxing and mag-product review. Kala magtanong kayo, this is my second Ron Travel Life na shirt. First na ganito ko is yung sinuot ko during my Kamay ni Jesus travel vlog. So this is my second na. So ayan po siya. Then meron po siya sa likod. Ayan. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing on my channel for more travel tips, budget activities, and right now product review tayo with this DJI Mobile Osmo 2. Ayan po yung box niya. And then yung likod sa gilid. That's it. Maganda yung box niya, yung packaging. Elegant. Just plain white. Nabili ko siya sa Ambassador Home and Electronic Center sa May Ayala. So, ito po yung proof of purchase. Ayan po. That's only 7,990. So, and then, in-offer pa nila sa akin is 3 months to pay. So, medyo okay na rin. Kasi yung original price nito is around nasa mga 10,000, 11,000. Legit naman siya. So far, siguro, check natin, kaya mag-unbox tayo. So, let's now do the unboxing. So, bago-bago pa siya, guys. Actually, binuksan na po siya dun sa pagpili ko pa. So, parang second bukas ko na to. Kasi syempre, kailangan i-test, diba? Ito yung quick guide. Tignan natin. Quick guide, ayan, medyo makapal. Safety guidelines din. And then, ito yung maganda sa kanila, guys. Meron silang Osmo Shield. Applicable lang to sa Osmo product, hindi sa lahat ng DJI product. So, this QR code sa likod, nandito yung extended na warranty for another year. So, by default, the product itself has a 1-year warranty. And then, if you avail of this extended warranty nila for the Osmo product, this is another 1 year. So, magiging 2 years na yung warranty. The price po, I think $17. That's around 600 to 700 pesos. Kailangan mo lang siya i-purchase yung additional 1-year warranty. And I am planning na i-extend ko po siya kasi hindi naman natin alam, di ba, mga aksidente or anything na mangyari sa device natin. So, much better na protected, and pag nasira or anything na problem dun sa device, beyond the warranty, at least meron kang extended. And here we go. Ito yung casing niya. Medyo hard case siya na foam. Siya na foam, medyo ano. And the logo of the DJI nandyan. So yan, pagbubuksan po natin. Yan, there's the device. So ang laman is ito. And then, this is the device itself. And then, may kasama siyang micro USB cable for charging of your phone. And then, this is the device. So, yan. Buksan na natin. Yan. Yan. So, dito muna tayo sa... Ayan na po siya, guys. And, dito muna tayo sa case niya. So, here, meron siya ditong pang-mount. If in case wala kayo pang sizable na meron kang tripod. You do time-lapse and any shots na steady, much better na meron kang tripod. Pero pag wala naman, yung box nila ginawa na meron dito sa baba, ito pwede mo siyang i-mount. Ayan, and then you can use this one as mount na. Yan, yan, pwede na siya. Pwede siyang hard case. Okay, so this is the device. Here we go. So this is the 3-axis device. Hindi siya 360 degree na nag-turn. Meron siya dito sa dulo, parang stopper. I'm not sure kung bakit hindi nila ginawa 360. So, yan. And then, pakita ko lang kung ano yung mga buttons na nandito. So, this is dito yung power. This is the record button. And then, itong apat na LED lights. Pag bago yung device, empty yung battery niya. So, you have to charge it first. Takes you 2 to 3 hours to full charge yung battery. And then, ang kagandahan nito guys is, since you can use the battery nung mismong gimbal to charge your cellphone. Ayan, dito sa likod, meron siyang USB port where you can charge your phone. Ayan, dito sa likod. And then, on this side naman, dito kayo mag-charge. Dito nyo i-charge yung gimbal itself. And then, ito is, yung button sa left side pala, is the zoom in and zoom out button. Ito yung tracking pad where you can move to the left, to right, and up and down. Okay? Sa ilalim, dito nyo i-mount yung tripod. Advisable po talaga siya na mamit ng tripod, especially if magta-time-lapse kayo. So, that's it. That's the device itself. Pagka malaki yung phone nyo, pwede nyo po siyang i-adjust here. You can adjust that one. Yan. Para mabalance po yung... Dapat kasi before nyo po i-on yung device, kailangan siyang balance na talagang balance para hindi mahirapan yung to stabilize your footage. So, dapat balance siya ganyan para bilis malobat yung battery. Siyang yan. And then, ika-clamp nyo na siya dyan. Guys, thank you for watching on our unboxing of the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. This one. Please follow me on my social media accounts. It's over here. And of course, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And thank you for watching. This is Ron Travel Life. Bye!